Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Olympus Bonds, and I hope you are all doing absolutely fine. Today I have come up with another video that tells you the solution about another Hitapp. So that is, let's go to that folder. That will be about related videos relevance labeling. Okay, so let's start from the first screenshot. Okay, so this one, let's maximize this. And okay, so Trump's mood sought after Georgia government brand, and this one is this. So select it is currently is weekly related. So this one is week. I was wrong in the same story. It's not the same story. It's weekly related. Okay, so select weekly related. Okay, so next. Snipers have been picking them off left and right. This one is similar topics. I was wrong in this. I selected similar topics, but correct answer is weekly related again. So it is the same as the previous one. So select weekly related. Okay. Next, Linda Evangelista says gold sculpting left her permanently deformed. So this is and bought this video and this story in the video, and this is in the writing is they are the same story. So select same story. That's another article. This is the United CEO talks travel, and these two stories in this video and this in this article, they are not same. I was wrong in this. They are just weekly related. So select weekly related. Another is COVID vaccine boosters. Washington OK's third Pfizer shot, and this both in stories of video as well as this article, they're the same one. So select same story, right? So similar topics, not the same one, similar topics. So what they're talking about the vaccine, right? So they are the similar topics. Next, you can reject as demand is random multiple. This one is, and this one is also, they are not similar topic, but they are the same story. Both are showing as article in video as well as in this a manuscript. They are the same thing. So select same story, not similar. I was wrong in this. So select same story. Next, by the deep is a horrible stock market strategy, and stocks continue to rally after Monday's sell-off. And both these are similar topics. Okay, so select similar. They are not the same, but they are the similar topics. So select. I was right in this. Select similar topics. Okay. Next, the Kylie Jenner's son is no longer named Wolf, and both these are the same story. Okay, also article as well as video, they're saying the same story. So select same story, not the similar. Okay. Next, some spiders may be able to fly using only their web and a bit of electric charge. So these are weekly. They're not related. I chose weekly related. I was wrong in this, so be careful. This is not a weekly related. This is not related. Both articles, video as well as in manuscript, they are not related. Okay. Next, the strategic package just revealed the last words. Very Carson. This about strategic words tends to beat all this. The same story. Okay, they are not similar. They're not weekly related. They are the same story. So select same story. Okay. Next news. So this is about still in shock. 10 days. Sorry. Okay. So this one is this. I'm not able to show you the whole screenshot. So next, let's go to next. Okay. So still in shock. 10 years says 50-year-old is moving to college apartment. So and this one is a video of the same story. So they're not related actually. So select not if you find this article. Okay, select they are not related. Next, Putin wants to read of traders while which war against Ukraine. So this and this video story, they are the same stories. Okay, so select same stories. Okay, if you get this article. The context is after declares cryptocurrency related activities illegal. So again, this drops chances crypto related. They are the same stories, both manuscript as well as video story. They are the same thing. This movie is making America's biggest sandwich, and is American president. They're not related. Both are different stories and video as well as. So select not related. This one I'm not able to show you the manuscript, so but they are the similar topics. So if you find this 55 million or something like that in video, select similar story. Watch Bill Mayer's. Bill Mayer asked why didn't Putin invade Ukraine? This one and this other not related. If you find this, they are not related. Okay, this is the story which is similar topics. Select similar topic, find a video like this, and this is all about this Hitapp. So thank you very much for listening and seeing my video. Thanks a lot.